Alright, so you should be on lesson 8, level 4. Okay, this one's got pictures. This page has images in it. Images make finding bugs a little more tricky. Can you debug this page? Do this. Discuss with your partner what is causing the bugs on this page. Fix the bugs so that your page matches the target page shown below. So, looks like we want strange plants. There are a lot of, okay, we've got that so far. Alright, looks like this Vilos pitcher plant is a bulleted item. Boys. Okay, it looks like this pitcher plant is a bulleted item. So we need to so let's find that. So if I turn my inspector tool on, okay, I can find the line of code. Let's look for it. It's right here. Okay, here's my H3. It needs to be a bulleted item. So if we look at the other one, if we look, Venus flytrap is a bulleted item here. If we look, they turned it into an LI by putting it right there and then put the list item ending at the end of their paragraph. So let's do the same thing. So right underneath where it says unordered list, I'm going to, on line 11, I'm going to press the enter key and make a blank space there. So between line 11 and line 12, there should be a blank space on line 12. Okay, I'm going to start my list item there. So I have got a blank line on line 12. I'm going to do my less than sign, LI for list item, greater than sign. So line 12, less than sign, LI, greater than sign. Okay. Okay. Now my closing LI is going to go after my paragraph on line 15. So I'm going to create a open line between line 15 and 16. So it's now line 16, and that's where my closing LI is going to go. Click refresh and save, it'll pop up. Okay? Alright, so if we scroll down in our instructions, it looks like it says they've got this picture that's showing up. Looks like it's really nice. Vilos pitcher plant. So our picture is not showing up on our side over here. Okay? So if we look at our image source, it's blank. There's nothing in our image source. Okay? And we want the Vilos pitcher plant to show up there. So what I'm going to do is, one of the best ways to get it to autofill is if you backspace the quotes and the equal sign in front of the image source, and then click the equal sign again, and now you can fill in Vilos pitcher plant JPEG. It'll autofill it in. You have to backspace the double quotes and the equal sign, and then retype in the equal sign, and it'll pop up. Okay, and then if you press refresh and save, it'll show up. Okay, so again what I did is I backspaced the double quotes in front of image source on line 14 and the equal sign, and then I retyped the equal sign, and then it'll autofill it for me. Okay, so if I keep scrolling down, this looks like what I've got. Public domain. My Venus flytrap is a bulleted point, but this picture is not showing up for my Venus flytrap. Okay? So, what is wrong with line 19? Okay? No closing. So there's no closing tag, but that wasn't a problem up here. But for good practice, we'll put it. Okay, what else? Yes. Okay, if we look at on line 19, it says image SCR, not SRC. So we need to change image to image SRC, not SCR. Refresh and save. It should show up. Looks like all of the words below that are correct. Now, our next one. Cathris Ruber. Does not look like it. If we look at line 23, our H3 isn't there. Our starting H3 isn't there, correct? So I'm going to put my opening H3 on line 23. Less than sign, H3 greater than sign. If I go over and refresh and save, let's take a look. There it is. My picture's there. From David Go, Space Pleb at Flickr -CCBY 2.0. Okay. Bear's head tooth fungus. Looks like the bulleted list point is there, but our image is not showing up. What is wrong with our line? What's wrong with this line? No equal after the image source. So image source equals bear head tooth fungus. Whoops. I made it show up double. I got to delete that. Refresh and save. There it is. From Reike at commons.wikimedia.org, CCBY SA 3.0. Okay, so all my paragraph tags were fine. Okay, and then they've got their ending UL tag here, just like their opening UL tag up here. Okay, so that is Lesson 8, Level 4, with their clean code and debugging.